Hi, this is Tori Wheelt with the Oracle Technology Network. We're here at Java One talking to members of the Java community. I've got Raj Hendra with me. Hey Raj.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good. Fine.
Good. So tell me what your role is in the Java community.
I'm a founder and the lead for the Java User Group Chennai.
Yes. How is it? How are things going in Chennai?
It's really good. It's almost 3 years. It's going fine.
Excellent. How long do you meet up once a month, or how often are your meetups?
We used to have every month once, and it's slowly maturing it up. And what happened today is we don't have exactly meeting up as such. So every month we just say that we will have a meeting here, we'll have a meeting, because we started Adopter JSR now. So we are mainly focusing on Adopter JSR than that of having meetups and doing it. So we are directly jumping into the coding as such.
Wow, cool. So tell me about some of the JSRs you guys adopted.
We are mainly joined to JE7 because first we suddenly Arun came, then why don't you people can join. So we joined with the JE7. So we thought of doing some proof of concept with it. So we started a project called Urban Travelers, which is a small game where it's a multi-user game. It will be minimum of 3 people, maximum of 6 people can play it. So it mainly focusing on the WebSocket as well as JSON. Actually, we thought of adding some more JSRs, but it didn't. It's not suiting directly to us. So we thought that. Let's stick with 2. So we worked on that. Later, we have started working on the money and currency API. So I was already when money and currency API started, I was there with Warner Ken. So we used to talk about all these things, and suddenly we said that we will start another POC on this. So we gathered the people and we started a small POC called. It's called Trackstock. It is mainly to show about the stock related shares for a company and lot of things. And we started trying to accommodate as much as the JSR focused on, same thing like the core part of it. And we'll focus on the format of it. And it means format of the money and currency, and we plan to add some more thing like fictitious money and currency, something like some games. There will be some
like Linden dollars or something.
Linden dollars, exactly.
Okay, got it.
And also we are planning for directly port it on any mobile as such. So we are planning to have Android as well, but we again focusing on BlackBerry as well, if it is possible. We are still not sure, but we need to port it on JME related anything if it is possible. We are planning that one, and also JavaFX.
Okay, so you're working on the actual Java EE7 code, right? You're taking a look at it, and then you bump into something. Did your feedback have any impact on what happened?
Yeah, true. Actually, the part of JE7, when we are working it is already matured. So not much it have been. Even sometimes when I see that can be done, when I go into the mailing list, it is already done.
Oh, wow.
So it's already, we are entering in the time of it's already maturing. As part of the money and currency as such, yes. When I was just looking into the API, I found 1 or 2 things. So directly I used to talk with Warner, or directly I will talk with the EG members. Suddenly they said directly you go and post it in the Jira. So directly we'll post it in the Jira. They said that yes, this is right. So there will be a change into it.
Wow.
And also I was part of the Java social media as such, social media API, which was rejected in those days. Now it has been separately run outside as Agorava, which is I was also helping them into it. So we are trying to port Agorava API for into our project. So we are just seeing it how it works. but suddenly we found it that Agorava is not directly working with, there is one social stock market. We are using that
Yeah.
one into it, and suddenly the API of OAuth is not directly supporting it. So suddenly we spoke with the people. They said that you just wait for an
Things are changing too quickly,
Suddenly
right?
they will plan
Right.
to change it, and they are planning to give it. So
Okay.
it directly helps in all the projects which we are trying to contribute to it.
Right, right. So this is a great opportunity for a developer to build their resume a little bit, right? I verified that this code was good. I was a part of a JSR being built. and
We were
approved.
also encouraging the people to create a separate Adopt a JSR part of Java User Group Chennai, so that we can project people that these people have worked on these areas of the. So we are just working on. We are not yet ready for it. So
Excellent.
there will be one separate site for it, so that every people can, tomorrow these people can go and show that, see, this is what I have done in this one. So we are just to encourage the people more than just they are as a namesake. Instead of they are
Right.
just being a namesake, we can project them as.
Oh,
a
they
Java
can be
user.
like a star, right?
Yes.
A superstar.
Yes.
A Java super. I like it. That's very cool. So, have you done sessions here at Java
Yeah,
One?
I have two sessions mainly. One is with the mainly based on the ACP, which is we are talking about JCP Next and other thing, and I have my own session on Java Money and Currency.
Okay, because you've got a bit of expertise there, right?
Yes.
Oh, cool. So if I'm in Chennai or somewhere close to it and I want to get involved, where do I go? How do I find out
You
more
can
about
directly,
your job?
you can directly go to jackchennai.in. So
Okay.
that is the main site. There you will have all the links for our mailing list and Twitter, LinkedIn, and everything. So you will have all the links there.
Great.
So you just need to remember the jackchennai.in.
Okay.
So you can go and directly. The problem with the mailing list is you need to join it. Without joining it, you can't post anything, but you can see everything.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you, Raj. It's good to see you again, and I'm so glad you're here. And we'll look forward to seeing you maybe in San Francisco, possibly.
Sure.
Excellent. Good. This is Tori Wheelt from the Oracle Technology Network.